Okay, guys, so what I'm understanding, what I'm getting from you is this is tough. This is hard for some of you. Maybe English isn't your strong suit. Maybe computers aren't your strong suit. Maybe all the teachers are giving you more than you think you can do. We're going to try to work with that, but you've got to work with me. You've got to show up every day and try to do something. So if something is not working, you need to email me and say, I can't get this set of notes. Can you help? Don't wait till the end of the week and say, I can't get on and get anything. I don't know what happened this week. I don't know how to fix that. I can fix, hey, these notes aren't opening. And my first suggestion is going to be make sure you're logged into your Google Drive. I know you're like, I logged into the computer, it should be fine. No, open up your Google Drive. Make sure it is your Google Drive that is active. It has your name on it. It is your account. That will be your first step. So please make sure that happens. How to open your Google Drive real fast. See, like I have an M right here. So I can click that and it says that I'm all good. I can go over here and see all these different things. So Google Drive is not meant to be difficult. I have a tab up here that tells me, hey, I can go to my Google Drive and I can do this stuff. So this is the options I have. Look, it wants me to enter my account I want to use. So if something is not working, I can go to my Google Drive, make sure I'm logged in. If I'm not logged in, then no Google documents that I share with you are going to open because you're not in Union County Google's Drive. And that's what it wants because it's shared with, not whomever has the link, it's shared with anyone in Union County. So you need to be in your drive. 2, if it's not working, well, I can always just share it to you, but that would also mean it needs to be in your drive. So please make sure, like I said, you check that first. But a couple tabs I want you to understand. I was practicing with some of it. So I have this thing right here. It's called SpeakIt. You can get it in your Google store. So let me see if I can show you real fast. So where you go is to your Google Chrome web store, and I can pick SpeakIt. This means it will read me the web page, guys. So if you are struggling, if you have read aloud for tests, so your mama doesn't have to sit there and read it for you, not that she wouldn't, or your whoever, but look, so I highlight what I want to do, and then I'm going to right click, and it says SpeakIt.
Check your announcements and school email daily. Click the red box to follow the link to the work. Announcements will be how I explain what is happening each day, and I will check my attendance for you. We will work through problems as we go.
Okay, so there's one way you can do. You can go to the Google Chrome store for your computer and choose SpeakIt. Now, I have a fun tab that says Google Translate, but I've been told you guys do not have that ability to get Google Translate off of your Chrome store. So the same thing though, if I need this translated to anything, and we'll just say Spanish because, you know, we'll highlight and we'll Control C. And then up here, I'm just gonna go and say, translate to Spanish, and this appears. All I have to do is copy and paste here, and it translates the whole thing into a different language. So if that's my issue, is I'm not understanding exactly what's going on, I'm not understanding the notes, you're not understanding me, you can always change this and look at it in Spanish. I think you can even change your whole Canvas page to a different language. I'd be careful about doing that though. But just realize that you can do other languages. We're not trying to hurt you. I'm not there to translate everything for you. But anyhow, so as we start week 3, a couple things I want you to know is I've opened up just about everything the past 2 weeks, and I've taken off the open until date. So they're wide open. I would like you to finish them and fix them quickly so I can give you a grade. Now, if you need help, if you need a plan, let's do that. Do not wait till the end of the 6 weeks, because in another week, half a week, whatever, I'm going to shut those down again because you've had more than enough time. If we need to work on how to schedule your day, we can do that. You just need to talk with me about it. I would like to state again that this is why I put due dates on them initially. Yes, I know I'm taking them till Saturday. I hope you understand I'm taking them till Saturday. But I put a due date there because I know some of you are not doing time management. You're just going, I'll do all this Friday, Saturday night. Well, then it will become overwhelming because now you have 4 classes with all this work. And to be honest, any tests or quizzes for me will not be open all week. That's just not realistic. That's not fair to everyone else, for me to leave a test open all week. So some of you may not have taken the test from this past week. So you need to email me and let me know that you're ready to get in, and I will open it back up again for you. But don't tell me you'll take it this week. Tell me, I'm ready to do it this afternoon. Can you open it back up for me? And I will do that for you. But you guys have to communicate, and you have to tell me when it's not working right then. But anyhow, so each day when you log in, I know we've covered this, but I'm going to go through what we're doing today, Monday, in civics. You should come and you will open this homepage. So if I'm in student view, this is what yours looks like. We have the homepage right here. And so you can check your grades by hitting this. If I hit grades over here, it's not going to show anything because I don't personally have grades in this class. I'm just looking at the student view. And I'm going to go to announcements every day. So if I go to announcements, it's going to populate usually a video from me to you about what's going on that day. So all I have to do is come up here and hit the date and see like only one person checked Friday's announcements for this class. And that's, you know, going to be trouble for you when you're struggling to get things done. So this will explain what's happening that day, what I need from you, maybe somehow to do it, maybe a bonus if you watch this. Miss Braswell was awesome and gave out a Chick-fil-A card for someone watching her announcements. I'm not that awesome yet. We'll see what I am in a little bit. But anyway, so you check announcements, you watch my video. I don't like making them, but you should watch them. I tell you stuff. Then you can come back home. From the home page, you're going to hit the week it is. This is week 3, and you're going to come here. Now I'm in student view, so guess what? This won't open until August 31st, which is Monday at 8 a.m. Now, if I move and leave student view, and I'm in modules, I can see all my stuff. So what you are doing Monday is you are doing CNN week 3. Remember, you're going to open that up. You're going to make a copy. Let me see if I can help you navigate. So see, this is now in a new tab, and it's going to load in a new window. So if I click on it, it should open. And I've created this so students will receive a copy of this document. You need to go to CNN 10 YouTube and find the day's date for Monday, which is 8/31. Tell me about the story, type on it. This will be saved for you. And then you're going to do day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Now, if you wait till Friday, just realize that gives you 50 minutes of CNN 10 to watch. I guess you could pause after one story and not watch the whole thing if you wanted to. But that's not the point. But anyway, so this is the new way I've told you to open it. But here's the kick. So if I come back here and I forget I've opened it, it says it's not here again. I got to go reload the page to access the tool again because it's already opened in a new browser. So if I want it again, I've shut out of it accidentally. I just have to refresh and look, there's my button again. All right, so next for the day, we're doing the colonies notes. If I click on this, it sends you to a YouTube video of me talking about the notes. It's very exciting, very. And this is what you're filling in. So once again, I would click on this and I would get the colonies notes. Colonies notes, very simple. It's like definition stuff. So these colonies in America ruled by a country elsewhere, that's what a colony is. So on this line, you'd be typing colony. So some of you didn't actually fill in the notes, you just resubmitted this blank sheet of paper, and this is why you got messages on your work saying you didn't actually fill it in. I made sure the lines were visible and obvious, so make sure you do that. But once again, if you come back here, the notes are missing because you've already opened them. Now this, however, is me teaching. So you would watch this and I would teach you the notes and you would fill that in. Remember, you can split your screen. So pull this up and kind of shrink it down. We'll just do it to make sure we all know what we're doing. So I can pull this up and I can
Hey guys, so we're going to be
pull that out and stop myself because, oh my goodness. Okay, and I can make this small. And I can come over here and I can open this one and I can pull the tab out and make it small too. And so I could have this on this side and I can shrink it down some more. Or I could just play the other one and listen and type in, but we're not all that good. Yes, I have way too many things open. So this would be me teaching about it, and then you could type on this side and you could watch them both at the same time. That would be the easiest thing to do, in my opinion. It may not be for you, in my opinion. All right, so the next thing after that, where's my next button? All right, so on my next button, so that shouldn't take long, very simple. We have a guided reading 2.3 in a new window. Okay, this means it is chapter 2, section 3. That's what 2.3 is, chapter 2, section 3. So if you missed 2.1 or 2.2 last week, it was chapter 2, section 1 or chapter 2, section 2. I even have the book in your modules. So if you need to go back, you can go to modules. You can go home even. Home has the book down at the bottom. I can scroll to find it. See, this is all the stuff from last week. And there's a civics book, and there's chapter 2. And I can do the same thing I did before. I can split screen and have chapter 2 on one side and the questions on the other. And I promise they go straight through. They do not jump around. So if you found question 2 in this paragraph, question 3 should be coming up shortly after that. All right, so let's go back to what we were working on. And this is just 7 questions. This is not meant to take an hour, guys. This is like, can I read through the information and find, so what was Puritan work ethic? Find Puritan in chapter 2, section 3, and it should be right there in the paragraph. They really aren't that hidden, but I know it's a lot to look at on the screen. All right, so back to the module we're in today. So we did 2.3 and then Edpuzzle, Too Late to Apologize. It's a song. Yes, they spoofed a song. It'll be great. You'll love it. It'll get stuck in your head. You'll think it's amazing. Maybe not. Okay, so these are now found in here. You're going to play it, and you're going to answer the questions. And then it instantly sends me the answers. Like if it's multiple choice, it will instantly give you a score in your grade book over here. If it's me having to go back in and grade, then it'll show a 0, and then I have to grade it before it gives you a grade. But if there's a dash, that means you didn't do it. So a 0 means you've done it at least, and I have to go back in and grade, or it will have a grade because it was multiple choice. Same thing applies here. If you opened it and then shut out of it, you have to refresh the page, and then the box will show back up. So guys, I'm hoping this helps. This is end of day 1 for Monday. That video, Too Late to Apologize, is really 3 to 4 minutes long. It's a song. It's not big and extensive. So I'm trying to back down on the work for some of you to get back up on pace. Honors this week, you'll have a couple questions, some short answers to do because you are honors and are expected to do some more writing and work. It'll be on the Declaration of Independence. The rest of you will try to walk you through it each day to help you understand what's going on. If you have a question, you need to email me. I'm going to try to have a live time where you can get in with me, not live me teaching because some of you don't get on until for different reasons, random times of the day. Some of you work or are watching your siblings. I'm trying to have a live link go up in about 2. If you have a specific question I can answer, I can help you with, then we'll do that. But I've recorded the teaching, so you don't need me to teach it again. But I can help you answer some of the other questions you may have. Or you can just email me. If we can email, I'll shoot you back an email real fast. And there's also the chat button over here. A discussion chat thing. You can chat. Oh, there it is. There's my inbox. And you can chat with me. Send me a message. I'll respond as soon as I have a chance to stop and look at my computer. So, guys, we got this. Don't stress. But contact me sooner than later. Tell me, I can't get into it. I can't do this. I don't know what's going on. And I can help you find it. Don't wait till the end of the week and say, I couldn't do any of it. I just quit. Let me help you. All right, make sure we're getting on, make sure we're keeping up, make sure we're communicating. Let me help you. We got this. Deep breaths. We got this. Week 3, here we go.